Morning. Got a truck right now. The customer says his engine knocks in the morning. Goes away when it gets hot. I bet it's not an engine knock. Let's see what it is. The second bolt back on the exhaust manifold is broke, and you can see soot all around that back exhaust port, the number 8 exhaust port. So he didn't have a knock. He has an exhaust leak, and I'm sure when it's really cold, it probably makes a lot of noise. So there's the broken bolt. Kind of suspicious, like somebody knew it was broke. Anyway, we'll get that off and get that out of there and put him a new manifold gasket on there. You can see where the soot's blowing out back there because the gasket's blown out. So there's all the soot that was blowing out around that cylinder. Actually had the back bolt break off when I was coming out with it. There's that one. That one should be easy to get out. There's enough there to grab. That one up there, it's probably about a 1/16 of an inch inside the hole, and we're going to weld a nut to it and get her on out. Need something to hold up. Get it all back together, new bolts, and this guy's gonna be good to go. Good job.